Severe storms Friday evening caused hail, damaging winds and widespread destruction across southwest Iowa, with Red Oak bearing the brunt. Mayor Timothy J. Fridolph praised firefighters, law enforcement, dispatchers, public works crews, utility workers and volunteers who responded under difficult conditions as cleanup began. Storms developed in Cass County, Nebraska around 6 p.m. and crossed Missouri River, bringing damage across Mills and Fremont counties, including downed trees in Tabor and 1-inch hail in Emerson. Near Randolph, farm augers were toppled and grain wagons moved. Trees also fell in Imogene. In Red Oak, a 74 mph wind gust at the airport knocked down power lines and limbs, leaving parts of the city without electricity. Emerson documented a near-porch-covering tree. Stanton saw siding and roof damage. A branch pierced a home in Montgomery County, and Corning reported additional tree damage in Adams County. Residents were urged to stay cautious as cleanup continues.